Hey viewers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us, and I'm really excited to have you join today. We've got something special lined up. Today, we're going to build HappyPaws, a fun and delightful pet memory scrapbook app using Lovable. This app will capture all those adorable moments with your furry friends in a playful, heartwarming way. Imagine this. A soft, pastel-colored design with warm, nostalgic vibes. The kind that makes you want to curl up with your pets and flip through all your favorite photos. Of course, we're adding a modern twist with clean UI elements, smooth animations, and those little details that make everything pop. Here's a quick preview of what we'll be building today. A welcoming landing page with a bold HappyPaws logo that instantly puts a smile on your face. Users sign up and login functionality so anyone can create their own personalized dashboard. A pet album grid to store and display all your precious pet photos. Rounded card layouts for each album, showcasing a collage of your photos as album covers. Soft, rounded corners, gentle hover effects, and playful paw print accents throughout, for that extra touch of charm. The design inspiration, think warm, joyful, and nostalgic, like flipping through an old photo album, but with a fresh digital twist. We'll be using a pastel color palette with shades of cream, mint, peach, baby blue, and warm pinks paired with the friendly Poppins font for that approachable vibe. And the best part? We're going to build all of this using just a single prompt with Lovable, not a single line of code at all. So if you love pets, design, and want to see how it all comes together, let's dive in. I have crafted a master prompt that I will be sharing with Lovable to help enhance its capabilities. Feel free to refine it further using ChatGPT or any language model of your choice. The goal is to ensure the final version is clear, effective, and perfectly tailored to your needs. You can also include any creative features you think could elevate it even further. I have pasted our master prompt. Let's see how Lovable brings this to life. Now, Lovable has started the preparation based on our master prompt. We start by enabling the cloud, which allows Lovable to automatically create the database and build the interface. Now, Lovable has started building our web app. It's thinking through the setup, and since we already approved the proposed plan, it's moving straight into the build. Lovable Cloud is now active. Next, it will create the database table and design the interface. Behind the scenes, Lovable is diligently crafting the technical foundation for HappyPaws, a charming pet memory scrapbook app designed with soft pastels and cozy vibes. The design embraces a gentle pastel palette, cream, mint, peach, baby blue, and warm pink, paired with the friendly Poppins font. Soft shadows, rounded corners, playful animations, and whimsical paw print accents complete the inviting atmosphere. On the features front, Lovable is building a welcoming landing page with an engaging hero section, secure authentication for seamless sign-up and login, a personalized dashboard showcasing your pet album grid, the ability to effortlessly create albums, upload photos, and automatically generate charming collage covers. These elements are all being carefully integrated behind the scenes, ensuring a smooth and delightful user experience once HappyPaws is live. And just like that, it's done! HappyPaws is live now! Yay!
Now I'm going to sign into the app.
First, I'll attempt to sign in using my email and password without completing the sign-up process, just to check if the app allows me to log in.
The login failed due to an invalid email or password, which confirms that the authentication process is working as expected.
Now, let me sign up and create my account. After doing so, I am able to log into the app. Now, next, let's try creating a new album. I'll give it a random name, Bubble. We also have the option to write a description, but since it's optional, I'll skip this step for now. After clicking Create Album, a new album named Bubble has been created. I'm opening the album, and as expected, it's empty since we just created it. Now, let me try uploading a few photos to see if the app allows it. I've uploaded one photo. Let me upload another one to this album. Both photos have been uploaded successfully. As designed, the album cover automatically displays the photo collage. Perfect. So far, everything is working absolutely fine. Let me try creating another album to see if the functionality works again. This time, I'll name the album Max. I'll upload the remaining 2 photos here to test if the functionality works as expected. Yay! It's working perfectly. This album, too, has the album cover automatically showing the photo collage. Great! Next, I'll log out of my account and log in again to verify if the albums and photos are saved. And yes, they are saved. Now, let's check the database configuration to ensure everything is set up correctly. Indeed, the database has 2 tables created, photos and albums. All entries have been successfully updated in these tables. Perfect! Everything is working perfectly as expected. And that's it. Everything seems to be functioning as it should. Now, let's publish this app. Yay! We've shipped and shared our work with the world in just one click. Amazing!
After publishing, we can check again and everything is still working fine.
And that's it for this demo.
If you enjoyed this demo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More no-code MVPs are on the way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.